If your skin keeps breaking out, no matter what you buy, no matter what you try, it's not your skin that's the problem. It's what's been sitting inside your pores this entire time. I want you to close your eyes for just a second and think about the last time you looked in the mirror and actually felt good about your skin. For a lot of you, that moment feels far away. Maybe you wake up every morning and the first thing you do, before you even fully open your eyes, is touch your face, feeling for new bumps, dreading what the bathroom mirror is going to show you today. You've spent money, real money, on cleansers and toners and spot treatments and masks that promised you everything and delivered almost nothing. You've changed your diet, you've drunk the water, you've followed the 10-step routines, and your skin still feels like it's working against you. I've been there. I know exactly what it feels like to try everything and still stand in front of that mirror feeling defeated. And I also know the precise moment that changed, when I stopped throwing products at the problem and started actually understanding it. That's what today is about. Not another product haul, not another routine that sounds good and does nothing. Today we go deep, literally, and we reset your skin from the inside of the pore out. Stay with me until the end. What I'm going to show you in the next few minutes is the reason your skin has never fully cleared and exactly what to do about it. Here's what you are going to experience if you follow this routine consistently, and I want to be honest with you, not sensational. Within one session, your skin will feel genuinely different. Softer at the surface, lighter, less congested under your fingertips. The texture that you've touched every day and quietly accepted as just the way your skin is. That texture will start to change. Within 2 weeks, the blackhead density on your nose and chin, the areas that most people struggle with most, will reduce noticeably. Not all of it, but enough that you will feel it before you even look in the mirror. Within 6 weeks of consistent practice, most people experience the clearest, calmest skin of their adult lives. No filter. No overnight miracle. Just your actual skin, finally given what it needed all along. Let's build that routine now. The step-by-step Maltine Step 1, the oil cleanse. Dissolve what water can't touch, start on completely dry skin. This is important. Water creates a barrier between an oil cleanser and your skin's surface and reduces the product's ability to bind to sebum. Dry face, dry hands. Dispense about a teaspoon of cleansing oil or balm into your palm. Press your hands together briefly to warm it, then press both palms flat against your cheeks. Hold for 3 seconds. Just warmth and stillness. Then begin to move in slow, deliberate circles, down across the nose wings, around the chin, up through the forehead. You're not scrubbing, you're dissolving. 60 full seconds of massage. Let the oil find the sebum in every follicle and begin to loosen it. You'll feel the texture of your skin change under your hands as you work. Areas that felt rough and grainy at the start will begin to feel softer as the oil breaks down the surface buildup. Emulsify with a few drops of water, massage for 15 more seconds until the oil turns milky and white, then rinse thoroughly. Your skin should already look brighter, more even. That's not a product claim. That's what happens when the oxidized buildup that was sitting on your skin's surface gets properly dissolved for the first time. Step 2, the water cleanse. Reset the pH. Finish the clean immediately after the oil cleanse. While your skin is still damp, apply a low pH foam or gel cleanser. Low pH, meaning between 4.5 and 5.5, is the detail that makes this step work properly. Your skin's acid mantle sits at approximately pH 5. A high pH cleanser disrupts that protective layer every single time you use it, leaving your barrier weakened and your skin unable to regulate itself. Build your lather between your palms, not on your face. Press it in using small circles, upward direction, never dragging downward. 20 seconds across the nose and chin where congestion concentrates. Rinse with lukewarm water. When you pat dry, and it must be a pat, never a rub, your skin should feel clean without feeling tight. If it feels tight, your cleanser is too harsh and it's contributing to your breakout cycle. Step 3, the warm compress. Open what's been closed soak a soft cotton cloth in water that is warm enough to create gentle steam but comfortable against your inner wrist. Wring it until it's damp rather than dripping. Lay it flat across your full face. Close your eyes. Breathe. 90 seconds. What's happening beneath that cloth is almost invisible but completely transformative. The warmth causes the follicle walls to relax and expand. The sebum plugs inside, which have been compressed and hardened, some of them sitting there for weeks, begin to soften at their base. The skin becomes pliable and yielding in a way that cold or room temperature skin simply isn't. When you lift that cloth, run one fingertip gently across your nose. Feel the difference. The surface that was rigid and stippled 30 seconds ago will feel almost soft. That's follicle relaxation. That's your skin telling you it's ready. Step 4, chemical exfoliation. The real pore cleanse. This is the step that replaces every scrub you've ever owned. Apply a BHA beta-hydroxy acid, specifically 2% salicylic acid, to a cotton pad and press it gently across the congested zones. The nose, the chin, the forehead if needed. No rubbing, no friction. Just light, even pressure. BHA is the only common skincare acid that is oil-soluble. That single property is what makes it uniquely effective for pore congestion, because it doesn't just work on the skin surface, it penetrates the follicle lining itself, dissolving the sebum buildup from the inside of the pore outward. No scrub, no strip, no physical tool reaches where BHA reaches. Leave it on the skin, do not rinse. It continues working for hours after application. One important note, if you have never used BHA before, start with 2 to 3 times per week, not daily. Your skin needs to calibrate to chemical exfoliation, and introducing it too quickly causes irritation that looks like the breakouts you were trying to prevent. Slow and consistent always wins. Step 5. The clarifying mask. Draw out, calm down 2 to 3 times per week, not daily. Apply a clay mask to the T-zone where congestion concentrates. Kaolin clay specifically, rather than Fuller's earth or bentonite, because kaolin is gentle enough to draw excess oil without stripping the moisture barrier alongside it. Apply a visible, even layer with a flat brush or clean fingertips. Leave it for exactly 10 to 12 minutes, not until it cracks, not until it's bone dry and your face feels like it's shrinking. Cracked clay is over-dried skin, and over-dried skin triggers oil production, which is the opposite of what we're building toward. As it sets, you'll feel a gentle tightening. Not uncomfortable, just present. The clay is pulling, drawing out the excess sebum that's sitting in the upper portion of your follicles, absorbing it into the mask itself. When you rinse it off with cool water, your pores will appear visibly smaller. Not because clay permanently changes pore size, but because empty pores look smaller than full ones. Pat dry. Your skin should feel matte and clean, not tight and stripped. If it feels tight, apply your moisturizer within 30 seconds, and consider a shorter application time next session. Step 6. The Barrier Restore. Seal everything. In the final step is the one most acne-prone people skip because they're afraid of adding moisture to already oily skin. This is the last mistake we're correcting today. Hydration and oiliness are not the same thing. A dehydrated skin, one lacking water, produces more sebum to compensate for what it's missing. Giving your skin adequate hydration through a water-based, non-comedogenic moisturizer actually reduces oil production over time, not immediately, but consistently. Apply a ceramide-containing moisturizer with clean hands, using pressing and patting motions across every zone. Ceramides are the fatty molecules that make up your skin's barrier. Think of them as the mortar between the bricks of your outer skin cells. Every cleanse removes some of them. Replacing them each time is not optional. It's what makes everything else in this routine sustainable rather than temporarily effective. Press the final layer in with your palms flat against your face. Feel the warmth. Let it absorb. The routine is finished. Pro tips: Secrets your skin needs 3 things that will separate your results from everyone else who tries this routine. First, the temperature of your rinse water changes everything. Warm water to cleanse and rinse. It keeps pores relaxed and ensures product fully removes. Cold water as a final splash after your last rinse. It temporarily tightens the follicle opening and keeps environmental particles from settling into freshly cleaned pores while you complete your routine. 2 temperatures, both intentional, neither optional. Second, your hands touch your face more than you realize, your phone screen, your pillowcase, your hands during the day. Get into the habit of a 1-second cleanse, a gentle rinse with water only at midday if you're oily. No product needed. You're not stripping your skin, you're just resetting the surface. This alone reduces end-of-day congestion by a meaningful amount for most people. Thank you for watching.